everybody. Today, the Crazyrussianhacker has a very cool science experiment for you guys. So let's check them out.
What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And what will happen if you throw water beads in a pan? Very hot pan. Let's check this out. Okay, we're going to get our stove going, light it up. Awesome. Then we're going to grab a pan, this kind of pan with non-stick surface, and we're going to preheat it very hot. Okay, it's at 306-7 Celsius, and as you can see, going up really fast. Let's wait till it preheats to like 400 Celsius, and then we're gonna drop the beads right on a hot pan. Okay, let's drop some of those beads over here, see what happens. That's so crazy. They just jump non-stop. I love that noise. Wow, look at that. Can you believe it? Why does it do that? That's what you call leading frost effect. It's just too much fun. Once it gets colder, it stops jumping around. Look, they're still jumping because it's so hot. Well, some of them anyway. This is so cool. I already lifted up from the gas stove, but some of them still jumping. This is a crazy noise. Love it. I think this experiment is a success. What do you guys think? Awesome. Then I got here cast iron pot, and I'm going to overheat it. The temperature of the pan about 135 Celsius, which is hot. Let's see what happens if I add a few drops of water. You see, just evaporating. Nothing really happens extraordinary. Simply, water is evaporating. But let's see what happens once we're gonna heat it up twice or 3 times more and then drop water. Okay, we preheated this pan at 300 now. Now let's drop a few drops of water and see what happens. You see how the water is just bouncing around, and it's not really like boiling out like it used to. Look at that. Even though it's a lot of water, it's not really boiling it out all the way. This is called leader frost effect. Well, a lot of you probably have done this experiment before in school or whatever, but here I got water beads. So we're going to put water beads inside of the super hot pan, and let's see what's going to happen. I wonder if they're just going to melt. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh. That's funny that some of them are melting too. Ooh, we gotta take it off. That sounds so weird, doesn't it? So hot that it does not wanna boil out. It's just kinda floating on a hot surface and slowly boiling out. This is what you call leading frost effect. Well guys, from my experience, you don't want to use this kind of pan because it sticks to it right away. You want to use non-sticky pan, not the iron pan. That way this experiment will work the best.
Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed that. Wow, that was absolutely amazing how the Orbeez in a very hot pan actually jingles around, doesn't stop. Wow, an active pan, and I also love how you showed the iron pan, how it just stays there and melts a little bit, and you put drops of water and all spills around everywhere. It goes crazy. Wow, and I especially like how you explained about the lighter frost effect. Yeah, that's actually a real good explanation. So Thank you so much, Crazyrussianhacker, for posting that. So please subscribe to the Crazyrussianhacker's channel. The link to his channel will be down below in the description. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day, and peace out.